Hi dear students, how are you all? Hopefully you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. Mostly students cancel 10 and 1 by 10 and write simply answer 70, which is wrong. So you have an equation which have division and multiplication both signs. So you have to perform the operation first, which is at left. So you have to apply division rule first. So it means we will apply here KCF rule. K mean keep it. So we will keep 70 as itself. C mean change, divide, is changed into multiplication. And F mean flip it. So as it is 1 over 10, so it will be 10. And multiplied by 10. So it will be 70 multiplied by 10, it will be 700. Multiplied by 10. And if we multiply 700 with 10, it will be 7,000. Which is your answer. Thank you.